In this video I will guide you how to type love symbol in keyboard. There are several quick ways to type a heart symbol on a keyboard. So depending on whether you are using a computer or a laptop. So in the first method, if you are currently working in Word, you can use the HX code method. For this you need to type 2665 and type Alt plus XR together. This will instantly convert to the heart symbol. You can also type 2764 and immediately press Alt X all together. This will instantly convert into heart symbol. So you can select it, go to the home and give some effects of your choice like this one and whatever your choice is. So there is another method. You need to click on insert and click on the icons. So make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. Type heart over here and hit enter. And here you can see that heart symbol. You just need to click to insert it and click insert. Like this one. You can resize it. If you have a dedicated numeric keypad like this one, so you need to hold down the Alt key and press the 3 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. This will instantly paste the love symbol in keyboard. Moreover, you need to press the window key and semicolon key. When you press these two keys all together, emoji panel will appear up. And then click on this search icon and type heart. And here you can see that lot of heart symbols options. You just need to select it and insert. So you can select all of them, go to the home and give the text effect whatever you like it. So with this way you can easily type love symbol in keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.